How to fix machine check exception BSOD in Windows. 1. Unplug your DVD and / or any other unused hardware. 2. Repair your Windows OS. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-help 3. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Use system restore, if you can. 5. Physical hardware check. From RAM, using MEM test 86, to disk and to CPU. 6. Reset system overclocking. If any. 7. Run chkdsk/r and sfc command as admin. 8. Reset your Windows. 9. Run the BSOD troubleshooter. 10. Update your BIOS. 11. Disable Intel SpeedStep technology in BIOS. 12. Disable your LAN adapter in Device Manager.